We're going to be taking a look today at this Kingston kitchen and bath, and the model number on this is KS1245PXBS. So I've used their products before, and so I wanted to upgrade a sink in the laundry room to actually have a hand sprayer with it, just to kind of help out, like if I'm washing the little dog or or cleaning something or whatever. Just thought it'd be a little more useful. Right now there's just regular traditional faucet installed, so I wanted to kind of upgrade it a little bit. So anyways, everything comes in this kit here, and everything looks pretty good. Quality on it looks real nice and everything. And here's the main unit right here, and here is the hose that goes to it, the handles and everything. Everything looks, pretty decent. I saw some reviews on it. There were some people not happy about this or that, but like I said, I've used their stuff before. No issues or anything, so I expect this will go fine whenever we install it. And then there's a couple other bits and bobs in here to kind of finish it out, and same in here. The actual sprayer itself. Everything has a nice, quality feel to it. Nothing feels, cheap or anything like that. So, and here, I'll show you the thing that it attaches to. And so we're going to go ahead and get this installed. I'm actually going to have a handyman do it. I could probably do it myself, but, he's pretty good at doing stuff like this. So let's go ahead and get this installed, and we'll see how it goes. Folks, so went ahead and had this installed in kind of a big laundry sink here. And so far working great. There's no leaks, anything like that. All the hardware is pretty solid. I like the fact that this swings back and forth, so I can kind of move this around as needed. The knobs are nice. I think the quality on it is real good. I ended up having a contractor do it. It took them about an hour. The water fitting that I had did not match the one on here, so you had to go to the hardware store to get coupling for that. But overall, he said it was easy to install, no problems whatsoever. And then also too, I like the sprayer. Went ahead and hooked it up here on the wall. And let's go ahead and turn this on here. The sprayer's real nice. Puts out a good flow of water. And the button on it, or the switch, or whatever you want to call it, is nice. You can do a little bit of water, or you can just go full blast with it. But yeah, it works really good. So super happy with this. I ended up getting what I wanted out of it, and works really good. This is going to be perfect too with this sink, and then the fact that with this faucet you can move this around, and then also too with the sprayer I can wash my little doggies in here. So that's going to be extremely convenient. But anyways, folks, definitely check these out. And like I did, if you have any concerns about installing it, just have a professional do it. A lot of times it's easier to hire someone like that. They can do it 10 times faster than I can to figure it out. So anyways, it ended up working out good. Very happy with it. And the quality seems to be there. And yeah, I think it'll last for years and years and years. So very happy with it. Definitely check these out, folks. Y'all have a good day.